Everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can find out vulnerability in the web services using SoapUI, this tool. So first you need to download this tool from this link. You can download this open source version also, and like after downloading and installing that, so now you need to launch this tool. And here I'm just I want to test this web service URL WSDL, this web service demo URL. So now I need to copy this locations, that web service link locations. Yes, now I just click on these files, just a minute. Yeah, click on files and new SOP project. Yeah, so now here paste the URL initial WSDL. Okay, so it's done. Now click on OK button. So it's loading all the web services pages. Now there is a they can add, and this is all the function. Suppose I want to check this request, so I just click on this request one and just double click on it, and you can see this is the request actually. And if you click on this play button, so you can see this is the response. Okay, so suppose there is a additions function is there. So suppose if you use the some normal value, like a numeric value, like here I'm just type 1, and here in the B, the second field, I have typed like 3. Now if you submit that request, so you can get the result like so means this is the input field and you get the result. So means this is the input field, so means maybe this input field is vulnerable. So here you can inject lots of script, like you can inject with the JavaScript, you can inject with SQL injections. Okay, like suppose here I'm just adding one single code. Okay, and just click on this request and you can see there is a error is there. So if it is vulnerable for SQL injection, then you can get MySQL, that SQL related that error message. Okay, so if you can inject with the JavaScript also, and if it is affected, and you can see that kind of response also. Okay, so thanks for watching.